Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best cordless drill under $100 you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best cordless drill for home use in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 pick is DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill DCD771C2. It can fit into tight spaces and has powerful batteries that provide a long runtime and lifespan. Charge it up in just 30 minutes and adjust the speed and vibration settings according to the job at hand. With 2 speed settings, its budget-friendly price makes it suitable for the homesteader and hobbyist alike, while its lightweight construction allows you to complete overhead jobs without enduring too much muscle fatigue. An LED light illuminates your workspace whenever you press the trigger, while the Jacobs half chuck provides both tight gripping strength and greater accessory compatibility. Our second best cordless drill for home use is Black & Decker 20V Cordless Drill LD120VA. The brushless motor in this budget-friendly DEWALT 20V drill is quieter and longer lasting than comparable brush units. At 2.4 pounds and with 2 speeds, reviewers say it's ideal for all kinds of DIY projects around the house. 15 clutch settings to adjust the torque help you avoid damaging screw heads and other hardware. Changing screw and drill bits is quick and easy, and the onboard light helps eliminate shadows so you can work safely in low light situations. Number 3 in our list is CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill CMCD701C2. This Craftsman drill have very good power. At less than 3 pounds, plus the rubberized grip, it's easy to hold. It's quick and efficient to switch out bits. 2 speeds and 16 clutch settings give you more control to prevent overdriving delicate hardware, and the built-in LED work light makes it safer to work in gloomy project areas. Let's watch more.
Make tough work seem easy with the Craftsman V20 20V Max Drill Driver. This drill is powered by a high-performance motor, producing 320 unit watts out for completing a variety of applications. It features a 2-speed gearbox for speed of fastening, and a 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck for improved bit retention. The LED light improves visibility in dark work areas. At the end of the workday, it can be stored just within reach. Tackle your next project with the Craftsman V20 20V Max Drill Driver.
Our 4th pick is teccpo Cordless Drill TDCD03P. Techo wasn't thinking lightweight when it produced this hefty cordless drill. Weighing 7.8 pounds, it's nearly 3 times as heavy as the SKIL, making it less suitable for overhead jobs and smaller operators. A range of torque settings means the teccpo works as effectively as a screwdriver as it does drilling either wood or metal. Like the SKIL, the teccpo comes with a fast charging device so you can charge for an hour and work virtually all day without interruption. An inbuilt LED light means you can work safely in dark corners, while the keyless chuck means you swap bits one-handed. Let's watch more about this product. Last in our list is SKIL Cordless Drill Driver DL529002. This 12V SKIL packs more power than you'd expect, giving the best 18V cordless drills a run for their money. It's even more compact than our top product, measuring just 7¼ in length, and is light enough for your child or small dog to carry around. The 1/2 inch keyless chuck is tight and reliable, while the additional 1/4 inch hex recess makes it easier to swap bits and means they sit a little deeper in its jaws. There's still a hint of wobble, however, which, when combined with a slight trigger lag, can be frustrating. Let's what ch more.